The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.